So right now I'm getting ready to make steamed grouper, and as you can see, I've got laid out my ingredients as I'll be needing them. Of course, I've got the grouper, sliced grouper there. In the back, I've got some assorted peppers, some red, orange, green, and yellow peppers, scotch bonnet. I've got the Maggie fish seasoning along with the Grace coconut milk. Got a nice piece of pumpkin in the back there, along with some scotch bonnet pepper, thyme leaves. I've got fresh garlic, onions. In the back there, you can see a pat of butter sitting there, as well as some okra. And of course, my lemon for getting my fish all cleaned up and washed and get that raw smell off. So I currently have assembled in the pan, I've got the fish, the grouper, of course, the star of the show, so that's placed at the bottom of the pan, and all the other ingredients, the onions and rainbow peppers, assortment of peppers, the pumpkin, as well as the okra, thyme, and I've got a couple of chili peppers on top. And it's all placed on top of that, given that the grouper is the star of the show and everything else is just an accompaniment. So here we go, just getting this dish started. The only thing I did do though was dissolve a little bit of that coconut creamy powder substance in some hot water, just about half a cup, just to create some steam in the pot. So I've dissolved that with a small bit of curry powder, and then just pour that over it, and that will create a bit of steam to allow the fish and the vegetables to steam and everything to be flavored. All right, so I'm back in the kitchen after about 10 minutes to take a good little look at what's going on. Take a look in the pot and see the party that's going on. And I'm gonna pull the lid, as you can see. Look at that. Okay, there's a whole lot of steam going on in there. Looks like we got a fish party going on. Lovely, it's coming along nicely. Right now you can see the finished product. Okay, that's the finished product there. All steamed and ready to go, and I've actually plated a portion just for myself right there. Does that look delicious? It is absolutely delightful. And that, from start to finish, took all of 25 minutes. So let me know in the suggestion box what items you'd like to see me prepare next, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and big up yourself.